Hi everyone, this is Ms. Laura from Reading Karma. I'm super happy to see you again. Today's question is, why is reading so important? Many of us know that reading is important, but have you ever stopped to wonder why? And if you don't like reading or reading is not your favorite thing to do, I sure hope that after you listen to me, you'll find a brand new desire to want to be the best reader that you can be, so that you can be very successful in school. Well, in this video, I am going to share 3 reasons why reading is so important. Reason number 1, the more you read, the better a reader you will become. No one is really born with reading skills. We learn how to read. We learn how to read either from our parents or we learn to read from our teachers. Once we learn how to read, we need to practice reading so that we can get better, because reading is a skill. For example, when we learn how to ride a bike, it may be very hard at first, but the more you practice the skills of riding a bike, the better a bike rider you will become. It's the same thing with reading. The more you practice, the better a reader you will become. Reason number 2, the more we read, the more new knowledge we will gain. New knowledge is just another word for learning new things. So if you don't know about a certain topic or a certain subject, you can always research, read, and I'm very sure you will learn new things about that particular topic. So for example, if you know a little bit about alligators, and if you want to know more about alligators, just go to the library and check out a book all about alligators. I'm very sure you're going to learn about the features of alligators. You're going to learn about the types of food that they eat. And you're even going to learn about their habitat or where they live. So again, to learn new things, we must read. Reason number 3, the more you read, the more you will understand what you are reading. So let's say if you read something for the first time and it's very hard to understand, just read it again. All good readers reread. We read again so that we understand it better. And by reading, you will improve your skills. By reading it again, you will gain new understanding of words, and you will definitely gain new understanding and new knowledge. So don't be afraid to read. If you don't like to read yet, I hope that after listening to Ms. Laura, you find a brand new desire to be the best reader that you can be, so that you can be very successful in school. Thank you for watching. Bless you with reading karma. I'll see you next time.